Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about closeness centrality. So centrality measures are very important tool from network analysis point of view. As you are aware that social media network is nothing but look like a graph. So whenever you study a graph theory, so centrality measures play a very important role in order to find out a node in the network, which is very much important from the network analysis point of view, and how central a particular node is in a graph. If you want to know that thing, then these centrality measures play a very important role. So in this video, we are going to concentrate only on closeness centrality method. In any connected graph, we can find out the closeness centrality, which is nothing but a measure of centrality in a network. So to find out closeness, we have to find out the sum of the length of the shortest path between the node and all the other nodes in the graph. So it is based on the shortest path theory, and by using that shortest path theory, we can easily find out the closeness node, or the node which is the center located in a graph and which play a very significant role while you are propagating the information in the network. So through this closeness centrality, we detect the nodes that are able to spread the information very effectively within a network. The intention behind this closeness centrality is if we are able to find out more central node, then more quickly the information can be spread in the network. So the formula to find out the closeness centrality is nothing but given over here, where CCVI is nothing but we are finding the closeness centrality on each and every vertex which is exist in a network, and in order to find out that closeness centrality of a vertex, we are considering the average shortest path length. So here you can see that in the numerator there is 1, and in the denominator we are taking the average shortest path length formula, and based on this one we would be able to find out the closeness centrality of each and every vertex. And once we will get the closeness centrality of each and every vertex, then we will see the vertex who having the smallest average shortest path length, and that particular vertex will be considered as a central node, or which will give us the highest centrality for that particular network. Now we will try to understand this concept with help of one example. So for example, on left hand side one graph is given to you having total 5 vertices. So in order to find out closeness centrality, as we know that it is nothing but 1 divided by the average shortest path length. So if we will use these vertices in that formula, then for vertex v1 we will find out the closeness centrality, and we will come to know that it is nothing but 1 divided by average of shortest path length. So if we will find the shortest path length of v1 to each and every other node, then we'll come to know that the distance from v1 to v2, shortest distance from v1 to v2 is 1, v1 to v3 is 2, v1 to v4 is again 2, and v1 to v5 is 3. So which we have mentioned over here in the formula, and we have divided it by 4, that is nothing but the n minus 1. So once we will compute this one, we will come to know the closeness centrality of v1 vertex. Similarly, we will count or calculate the closeness centrality of each and every vertex, and from this one we will come to know that the vertex which gives us the smallest average shortest path length mean you can see that v2 having the smallest average shortest path length, so it will give you the highest centrality for the network. Fine. So we can say that the smaller the average shortest path length, the higher the centrality for the node exists in a network. So from this example, we will come to know that v2 having the highest closeness centrality in network, and if we want to pass some information into the network, then v2 is the best suitable node through which we can easily propagate the information in a quick way. These are the references to know more about the centrality measures. Thank you for watching the video.